Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the rich and vibrant world of Google Colab. This fantastic tool is a game changer, enabling you to craft Python code without the need for any installations on your device. Google Colab opens the door to vast opportunities, particularly in the realm of machine learning computations that require substantial computational power. It's incredibly versatile, operating seamlessly whether you're using a Mac, Windows, or even a tablet. Plus, you can access your files anytime, anywhere. Now, the best part? It's free. There's a paid version available for those wanting more computational power and the ability to run in the background. We'll delve deeper into the differences in a future video. But for now, let's focus on the free version. It's more than enough to get us started. We're using Google Colab to simplify your Python data handling experience. Imagine working with your data just as seamlessly as you would with Excel, but without the hassle of additional software installations. To start working with Colab, navigate to colab.research.google.com. If you have a Google account, simply log in with your email. Once you've logged in, you'll notice a Connect button at the top right corner of the screen. This button links your notebook to Google's servers. So go ahead and click Connect first thing. Our first lesson is about uploading Excel files to Google Colab. There are two methods, directly to Colab or to your Google Drive. I highly recommend the latter to ensure you never lose your files due to timeouts or switching devices. To upload directly to Colab, click the icon on the left and select your file source. Remember, Colab recommends saving your files elsewhere to prevent loss during timeouts, a crucial point to note when exporting your final files. Once you've uploaded your files to Google Drive, you can easily import them into your Colab notebook. Firstly, ensure your notebook is connected to your drive. If it's not, simply select Mount Drive. Then, locate your file and right-click to copy its path. Now, let's read this file in Colab. First, we need to import the Pandas library. Pandas is a powerful data analysis tool in Python, and we'll be using it extensively. To make our lives easier, we'll import Pandas with an alias PD. This means whenever we want to use a function from Pandas, we can simply type PD instead of Pandas. The code for this would be import Pandas as PD. Remember, each cell in Colab runs separately as a block of code. You can execute a cell by pressing Shift+Enter or clicking the Run button. It's also important to keep in mind that the order in which you run cells matters, as a later cell can depend on the output of an earlier one. Next, let's read our Excel file. If you're into data science or machine learning, you'll typically work with CSV or JSON files. However, our goal here is to show you how Python can streamline your Excel routine. To read your file into the notebook, we use the read_Excel function from Pandas. For instance, if our file is named sales, we would load it by typing sales equals pd read_Excel, path to your file, replacing path to your file with the actual path to your Excel file. This line of code reads the file and assigns it to the variable sales. After loading the file, let's explore our data. We can view the first 5 rows of our table with sales.head. If you want to see more rows, simply pass the desired number into the parentheses, like sales.head 10. However, remember that Colab has a limit to how much data it can display at once, so asking to view 100 rows, for instance, may not show all of them. A valuable method to get a quick overview of your data is using the shape attribute. By writing sales.shape, we can see the dimensions of our table, that is, the number of rows and columns it has. For instance, if sales.shape returns 50,010, it means our sales table has 50,000 rows and 10 columns. This is a helpful tool for understanding the size of the data you're dealing with. We'll also import another file for our future videos, a table of foreign exchange rates to euro from Kaggle. Similar to before, fx_rates.head will display the first rows of this table. As our final step, let's tackle how to save your edited table as an Excel file. Suppose we want to keep a copy of our sales table. It's as simple as typing sales.to_Excel, followed by your desired save location. If you'd like to download the file directly to your local device, just pass your preferred file name into the parentheses. You'll then find your file in the Files section, available for download. Keep in mind, this file will be removed after a timeout. To save it permanently, you should pass your Google Drive path into the parentheses instead. And that wraps up our introductory tutorial to Google Colab. We've only just scratched the surface, but I hope this video has sparked your interest and curiosity. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos where we'll put Google Colab into action and explore its robust features. Until then, happy coding, and see you in our next video.